Hello everybody, in today's topic, we are going to talk about radio button, switch autocomplete text view, and the fade animation. We are also going to show you how to code its function, and we are going to show you its functions to a real phone, not an emulator. Later. For now, my colleagues will now discuss the different topics.
Resource that layout. Click the radio button and drop. The radio button is a user interface where you can only select only option if it was given the same category in summary. I- Change the ID option 1 and option 2. Click the main activity.cs. Separately as you can see in the video. RB1 check change plus equal SE. A boolean that indicates in the user, and we are going to add up an output where if in was click the text of both radio both will be changed.
The following topics will be split up intentionally.
Switch. The switch is another user interface where its primary option usually is turn off and on. Its function is the same with the radio button, that if the switch changes its state was indicated by the boolean, it will show a toast that it states the switch is on or off.
The autocomplete text view is a user interface that has the same function as an edit text, but it has an adapter attached to it. All we have to do is to declare an array and connect it to the text view with the use of the array adapter. As soon the adapter is connected, it will now show the values that are under the array itself.
Now we're gonna talk about
the fade animation. So basically, fade animation is one of the available animations here in Xamarin. This is a very long code and process of how to do a animation, so we're gonna speed it up right about now. First, we need an image view and two buttons. Now we're gonna name those buttons fade in and fade out. Now the function of these buttons is when the user click one of those buttons, it will trigger the fade animation. It's either fade in or fade out, depends on what the user clicked. Now we need to create a folder for the animation and create an XML file so that we can do our animations there. So we just need to get this so that we have a reference. So we need to set the from alpha and the to alpha of the XML file, which means the starting point and the end point. So in the fade in, we indicate the from alpha to 0 and the to alpha to 1, and we set the duration to 3000 milliseconds or 3 seconds. Now we're just do another XML file for the fade out, and we're just gonna copy paste and replace the fade the from to alpha. Then we're just gonna declare the variable for the animation, and we're just gonna code the start option for the animation to trigger.
Outputs of the topics discussed. Again, we are running the app in a phone, not an emulator. If the user interface does not function properly, you may need to double check your codes. You might enter the wrong codes. Thanks for watching and see you guys later. Thank you.